Step 1. Each monitor and control cycle begins with evaluating progress, usually through a progress report. The progress report is an objective accounting of the status of each task and activity. Whether created by each individual or the team, the report is an opportunity to consider progress toward your milestones. Generally, progress reports are meant to be a snapshot in time as well as a planning tool for moving forward. Consider where you are right now as well as what you need to do to move ahead successfully. Your report status should list some of the following types of information: the time frame of the report, activities, tasks, and milestones that were scheduled to occur in this time period, anything incomplete from the last report time frame, anything else that occurred in this time period, even if not scheduled. That includes things that were scheduled in previous time frames that are not yet completed. Step 2, the documentation part of the monitor and control cycle. You'll be communicating information which may be needed for dependent deliverables being created by other teams or team members. This codifies decisions and actions as a snapshot in time for reference and decision making, for reviewing and for evaluating the project. This provides information for future projects which may be useful as a baseline or to help increase efficiency. Most projects will have some kind of information that needs to be tracked so that it is all in one central location, where all team members know how to find it. This might include data, tracking supplies used for a design project, or compiling work from multiple stakeholders or research. Documentation of a project may include recording information about the progress or the actual work of the product or the product itself. Data reports, specifications, drawing, that type of stuff. Step 3. The impact analysis is performed by reviewing the information provided in the status reports and possibly referencing the master inventory when needed. If there are multiple teams working together, this analysis provides an across the project view of the project's progress. At the end of the analysis, it is typically to write an impact statement that indicates any action items that are recommended to be addressing some of the shortcomings and any expected future impact, possibly negative or positive, of these actions. These actions may include applying more resources, applying more time, changing the deliverables, or other adjustments. This impact statement needs to be reviewed in the context of the schedule, deliverables, and resources, and may even lead to the revision of the project plan. Once the status report and the master inventory are done, the quality and risk manager and time manager should use this information to track the project's overall success and progress. And this also helps prioritize the next steps and, if needed, recommending revisions. So next week, you'll be doing work on your impact statement. Step 4. Ongoing communication ensures that all team members have the information they need and that stakeholders' expectations are being managed through the project. Each monitor and control cycle should include a project report. Make decisions about changes to the project plan. Will the schedule be revised? Will more resources be allocated? Will any deliverables change? During this revision, it is key to review the scope of the project to ensure that it is not changed. If the scope has changed, then what other changes must be made in the schedule or resources to accommodate that? These are all really good questions to ask. Access the information, make new action items if needed, revise the project plan, and report out to the team and stakeholders. The project manager leads all of these activities. Again, monitor and control is the 4th step in this cycle.